Alright then. Looks like a tornado warning. We've got another tornado warning. For some reason, we're getting several tornado warnings, and I don't know why this is. We actually got one issued for our area. I'm planning on hopefully seeing it. My video was ended because of an alert notification saying tornado warning. It's issued until 6:45 now. That was my dad coughing. Oh my god. The storm looks like it's moving from there. I think it's a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. I think the tornado warning has just been delayed. I'm gonna go look at the weather. First, I need to know if there's actually a tornado on the ground or if it's just rotation. The PDS tornado warning has been delayed. Oh my god, we could get hit. I'm just shaking. There's lightning over there. There's a tornado. Pretty good lightning. Yeah, well, you gotta expect lightning. Severe lightning during a tornado warning. Otherwise, that's not normal. Especially, I just had to pause my video because my dad was talking. Well, I mean, just getting, I think pretty soon we're about to get hit by the tornado. Oh my god. Oh, there's lightning over there. I need to get a better view. I need to get in a better place. Large tornado was issued. Can you believe that? Alright, this is probably a better view. And a better room. I'm going to pull the blinds up. Once again, there was lightning. Not far. Oh, wow. Wow. My dad's making dinner. I don't know. It's probably not a good idea to have dinner in a life-threatening situation. Oh my god. OMG. Oh my god. I just cannot believe what I'm seeing, what I'm hearing. There's some lightning. I believe the tornado is coming out of the west. But I don't know if the lightning and stuff is coming from there. I'm gonna look from a different place. In a little bit. Alright, I don't think the storm is coming from there. Yeah, maybe I'm right. Maybe the tornado is coming from this way. Honestly, I can't predict where I am. Like if I am facing west or anywhere else. I'm just gonna go alert everyone. Maybe I will, I don't know. I have a megaphone and I'll just let everyone know that there's a tornado warning. I just have to ask my dad if I can do that. My dad said that I may not. Tell everybody that there's a tornado warning because it might scare them. So they probably already know that there's a tornado warning. I'll see lightning. I'm gonna look at the weather again. So it looks like the tornado is developing, but it's not on the ground yet. Alright, so it looks like the storm is not coming from there. So I see some brightness over there. Like that with just clouds. I think the storm is actually moving from. Let me see. I don't know why the sky looks bright on camera. It's not. So I think there's a tornado developing in New Jersey. Looks like the tornado is coming from there.